Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and here is how you take a quiz in flight and space. So, friends, we are in Google Classroom. This is the stream, and you are currently watching this video as I make it. Because I showed you how to sign into Moodle yesterday, you should be totally fine. Simply click the link and sign in with your 25, 26, or whatever yours is, and your same computer code. When you hit that button, it'll take you right to the quiz. You can see this has 4 attempts allowed. Simply hit Attempt Quiz and then complete it as accurately as you can. When you're done, you click Submit All and Finish. Finish attempt. Do make sure you answered. You can see I have not answered any, so I'm going to get a horrible score. When you hit Submit All and Finish and Submit All and Finish, it will show you your grade and it'll teach you a little bit of what you messed up. And I need you to end up with 100%. So if you do not have 100%, you need to hit Finish Review, which you can do at the top or the bottom, and then you can reattempt that practice quiz until you get 100%. Make sure you're not talking to friends because this is all about your skills, and let's get cracking.